Alright guys, first train of today in Metairie with Southern Pacific 1996. My first ever Heritage unit. Woo! Woo! Look at that beauty. Look at that. I'm gonna zoom in on that. My first ever Heritage unit. Woohoo! That's what I'm talking about. Woo! And a horn salute. Woo! Let's go. That's how you start off the first train of today in Metairie. Woo! Nice car right there. Oh my God, that was awesome. I cannot believe I just caught my first Heritage unit. Now, I know so now I know in the past I've caught the Amtrak Heritage units like the Pepsi can and Amtrak 161. But this is my first real Heritage unit ever. Oh, that is awesome. Oh my gosh. I don't even know what to say because I'm so shocked. God, that's how you start off a train for the very first time here on a Sunday. Because I'm out here on the Sunday. If I would have came out here yesterday, which was Saturday, I don't think I would have caught that. God, now I'm so glad now that I came out here today. God, that is amazing. Absolutely amazing. And it was leading too, so that's even better. That's even better. Now I wouldn't mind it trailing, but it was leading, so that's even that's even better. That's a whole nother level of excitement for me. I cannot believe I just caught Southern Pacific 1996. That is so, I don't even know I'm out of words. I'm at a loss for words. That is just, oh. I'm sorry if I keep talking. It's just that I am super excited that I got to saw my first Heritage unit. CSX Auto X, no graffiti, so basically brand new. But I cannot believe I saw my first Heritage unit. Oh, that just made my day now. I'm sorry, but that just made my day right there. That just made my day right there. It really did. We even got some nice other cars on here. We got a Norfolk and Western boxcar coming up. So that's cool. Norfolk and Western. We also got some two UP boxcars. And the Canadian Pacific boxcar, wow. So a lot of different companies on this train. There's also a CN box car, but I didn't say anything about it because I was talking about the Heritage unit. It's actually pretty decent. It's actually a pretty decent train for 2 engines, not gonna lie. I see the end. Pretty decent sized train for 2 engines. Oh, no, that's not the end. Okay, I thought that was the end. That's just really low flat cars. Okay. I thought that was the end for a second, but nope. Just some really, just a really low flat car. Hey, it's a CSX gondola. Another CSX gondola. Also got some railguns, so okay, now here's the end. So yeah, he's a pretty decent train for 2 engines. And that has a lot of graffiti on this auto rack coming up. No, there's... Gee, how long is this train? Like, jeez, 2 engines and this long? God. Okay, so these are just all low flat cars. I thought that auto rack was the end. Okay, we got more auto racks coming up. He is really decent sized train. He is really a decent train for 2 engines. I mean, holy crap. All of those flat cars in the middle of these auto racks. Interesting. Excuse me. Sorry about that. God. He is a big train for 2 engines. Okay, is this the end now? Okay, yes. Okay. Here's the end. Now here's the end. Okay. Hey, Conrail. Conrail Autorat. That's cool to see. See, alright, Union Pacific, CN, and 2 KCS Autorats. Woo! Alright, guys. There goes train number 1 of today in Metairie, Union Pacific Manifest, with the Southern Pacific 1996 Heritage Unit leading. And a horn salute. First ever time catching the Heritage Unit. And a horn salute. Hope y'all enjoy.